What's going on, guys? Today I got something special for y'all. The first performance mod for the E92, HKS blow-off valve, and a VRSF charge pipe. So I've been kind of tinkering with it already. I got the vacuum line on, and I got the rubber hose on already, kind of. It's gonna have to be taken off later on to put on, but so this is actually the second blow-off valve I bought, because the first one I got from Amazon turned out to be a fake, and I'll put on some footage up. But it was poor quality. It was missing some badging. It didn't come with all the parts. It was a pretty good fake, but it was still fake, and I found out. Luckily, Amazon took it back, and I just went to go buy the real deal from Mashimaro. Got this pipe from Mashimaro as well. Shout out to Mashimaro. So we're gonna install these tomorrow with the boys. They're gonna come over, so we'll skip to day 2. Welcome back, guys. Day 2. Let's get this car repositioned. But before we do that, let's get you a cold start clip. Yeah, so that's pretty much how it sounds like when it's cold. Alongside the charge pipe, we're going to be adding an MHD tune onto it. Stage 1 because I don't got the front mount intercooler, but that should change the exhaust note. Alright, let's get a look inside of the hood, see what we're working with. I've done nothing to it. It's completely stock other than the exhaust. Well, here's the charge pipe right here. Even though it's pretty new, the lady that I bought it from had recently changed it, so, but I mean, we're gonna be building more boost. We don't want it cracking up on us anytime soon, so might as well just replace it now. I'm gonna get started on it right now, just removing the air box and all. That's probably one of the hardest parts. Let's get to it. Alright, so we got the air box removed. I just gotta pull it out of place. I got these 2 little clamps disconnected. The one in the back was so hard to reach, but on to the next steps. Yeah! Alright, so we finally got the air box off. Now we gotta remove the diverter valves, unclip that one right there, take these clamps off and this sensor, and we should be good. Oh, I don't know. What? Twist? It's just literally people are just saying twist it off. The charge pipe is now out. We got free space. Time for this bad boy to get in now. So we got the charge pipe on, kind of halfway on. You gotta still screw this thing on properly.
We lost the lock nut right here, so we're gonna have to go to Ace Hardware.
Yeah, so we took the other one off. Looks like kind of like this. This is what we're trying to get.
Yeah.
Hopefully Ace has what we need.
Yeah. So I put all this in. You guys have to do it. I have zero power.
Yeah, that's alright. We
disabled.
got this. It's way too hard to find the both FL, so alright, let's go.
From the street, and all you want me
Alright, we made it to Ace. We'll see what we can do inside. Hopefully they got the nut for us.
I got the nut. Yep, these are the screws. M6x1.
Can you find this nut for me?
Got it. Alright, so we got home. We got the screws in his pocket. mission.
I'm a lyrical, spiritual, miracle,
capture-
individual,
what the
swimming pool.
Alright, we finally got everything on. Hopefully it's all good. We'll give it a turn it on and see how it works. But mission complete. I think that's what's up. Yeah, definitely. There's some sort of leak. I think there's a vacuum line isn't on properly. Let's see.
Rev it up again. Make the noise.
You see, it's really faint. It's not loud at all.
Yeah. Your reverse scares me.
Oh, bro. We got a check engine light. Yeah. We don't know what's up.
Probably boost leak is what I'm guessing.
There's probably a boost leak because I've floored it and I don't get any power.
Probably a hose tank we didn't tighten.
Maybe something came off. So we dropped the nut again. And I need to go buy another one. So we're gonna go to AutoZone real quick.
Yep, second trip. That hit us there already.
Alright, we got a whole pack now, just in case we drop them again. I will not drop it again. I'm so tired of working on this car. This thing should have taken us an hour at most. Here we are, 3 hours in. It's like 3 o'clock. We started at 12.
Alright, Amar, what happened?
Alright, so we ended up putting it all in, back together, angled it properly. It was tough, you know, it took a little bit of time. But I think we're chilling now. There's no engine codes. Let's start up, hear it.
All right.
So we finished the blow-off valve install. It all worked. So now we're gonna add MHD onto here. And I'll show you how that works. All right, now that it's back on, let's connect to the DME. Put some options on it first. I'm gonna do linear throttle mapping. I'm not gonna put OEM catted downpipes because I'm gonna get them in the future and I don't wanna do anything about that. Some exhaust burble. We'll do a second. And it's charging. It's connected. Preparing the map files. And so I'll come back when this is all done. Alright, first start. I'm not gonna do this from a peel here, just because I can't. I don't want to be mean.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yo,
Make sure the mic's on. Make sure the mic's on.
Yo, he got them hockey pucks.
This is our old high school.
Yeah.
Memories, bro. Memories.
I would walk into
Donuts
that
in the
gate
parking
every
lot.
single day.
Feels so weird.
Right
I
here.
would wait in the line. Oh man.
Yeah, everyone would do donuts right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh yeah!
Oh shit! I can do it. Okay. Goddamn.
Hey, yo! You're doing it! Yo! 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 Look at the fucking smoke! Look at this! Yo! Yo! You did it! Oh my god! Yep! Counter! Hey! Yo!
Damn. Oh shit, bro. Oh, I remember the smell.
Yeah. Oh, if you crack a window, we'd be tasting it right
Yeah, I think we're good. So, we left off drifting. The boys went home. I'm tired. We worked all day. Took some time, but whatever. It was worth it. Well worth it. The tune is great. I enjoyed it. I'm still gonna enjoy it. The pipe is on. No leaks, no nothing. So we're all good on that. Mission accomplished. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and our shenanigans. Tune in next time for some other stuff. Peace.